Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Electrum server settings and wallet files step by step clearly. To backup your Electrum server settings and wallet files, start by closing the Electrum application. Navigate to your computer's file explorer. Locate the folder where Electrum is installed. This is typically found in the Program Files directory for Windows or within the Applications folder on Mac OS. Open the Electrum directory to find the necessary files. Find the folder named Wallets. This folder contains your wallet files. To back up your wallet, copy the entire Wallets folder. Paste this folder into a secure backup location. A USB drive or an external hard drive is recommended for added security. Next, navigate back to the main Electrum folder. Look for a file named config or config.json. This file contains your server settings. Copy the config file to the same backup location where your wallet files are stored. You may also want to create a backup of your Electrum installation directory, in case you need to restore the entire application. Once you have copied all the necessary files, close the File Explorer. Ensure that your backup location is safe and secure. Consider encrypting the backup folder for added security. To encrypt, you can use software such as VeriCrypt or BitLocker, depending on your operating system. Once encrypted, make sure to store your decryption key in a separate safe location. With all files backed up and stored securely, you can now safely close your backup process. Remember to perform regular backups to keep your settings and wallet files up to date. Periodically test your backup by restoring it on a different device to ensure everything works correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.